My goal when we are bringing these contractor trainings together is to get the contractors to understand that as a partner with them, we have a contracting background. This product was invented through the experience that we had, and what we're wanting to do is share that experience with them so they can see the value that fluid applied roofing can bring through the technology we've created.
I've been to several trainings over the past 10 years. This is by far probably the best product that I've seen. Any questions you had, they had an answer for it. They've made me a believer.
You know, the team here is very supportive of folks like me that are in the trades. Very thorough. We hands-on went on a roof. Got up, learned how to spray the product and apply it, and overall real good. Oh, the FAR seal by far. I mean, just how quickly it adheres to the roof. That was the most impressive part for me. We'll be buying as soon as we land the deal.
We've run across suppliers, so to speak, or vendors that they know the product, but they don't know the buildings. They don't know how the buildings work. So it was very refreshing for us because not only do you know the product, you know the building as well because of your background. So that helps us to better understand that, you know, we are getting something from someone who is knowledgeable. It's a great product, and we thank you for your time and your knowledge, and it's been a great experience for us.
We have such a multi-talented, skilled team here, people who have a lot of experience in the commercial roofing industry. So a lot of times manufacturers may not have that. We have that. And so when they come, we're able to give them a great presentation, get them trained, let them learn about FAR, let them learn that we're going to be a partner with them from now on.
We're all about saving money, saving time, and removing risk from their businesses. We're going to show them that value, how we can help their companies become successful by partnering with us.